Hey Disney Dreamers, we have a quick update for you today. As we said farewell to Muppets 3D and Muppets Courtyard at the weekend, Disney have helped ease that pain and sadness by giving us a little message from Kermit the Frog updating us on their move over to the rock and roller coaster. In the video, Kermit confirms a few things for us. Number one, the Muppets are all super buzzed about their move over to Sunset Boulevard and they're all busy packing away. Number two, this is going to be the first Muppet coaster in existence. And number three, we have a date. Kermit announced that the new reimagined version of Rock and Roller Coaster will be open in 2026. Disney have also confirmed that the current Rock and Roller Coaster will be open and running until the end of the year. We have no other details yet, but we will keep you posted as and when we do. So for all you Aerosmith fans out there, you've got until the end of 2025 to ride Rock and Roller Coaster one last time. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.